Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the GeToo photo camera lens. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. So please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. I've also reviewed other GeToo products on my channel, so be sure to check out some of those videos. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a nice and simple retail box. This is a 2-in-1 camera lens for your smartphone. It's got 12.5 times macro and 0.45 times wide angle, and it comes with a universal clip for Apple, Samsung, and Google devices. You can also use this with tablets like an iPad. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a nice microfiber cleaning cloth, and we have a lens pouch. Then you can see we have our first universal smartphone clip right here for our very small fisheye 198-degree lens right here, complete with a nice lens cap and cover on both sides. Then you can see we have our second universal smartphone clip right here for our larger lens that also has a nice lens cap and cover on both sides. This is our macro lens. Now let's go ahead and let's get these installed. Lens installation is very simple and straightforward. Identify the lens that you want to use. Gently remove the back cover and cap right there. It will reveal some threads that we need to gently thread into place on our universal smartphone clip. So here we go. We're threading it in place until you have it nice and tight. Be careful not to over tighten the lens down. Then you can remove the lens cap on the front. And now take your mobile device and you're going to line up the camera with your device. So here we go. We're sliding it right in place. So there we go. We have it in place now. We got the wide angle lens right there. And everything looks really cool. We got that great fisheye view going on right now. So you can see there's the standard view. And then watch what happens when we put the fisheye lens cover on. Let's go ahead, let's try it out with the macro lens as well. So repeat the same steps just for the bigger lens. So go ahead, remove the back cover right here. That will reveal the threads for us. Gently thread it into place on our smartphone universal clip and adapter. Be careful not to over tighten it. You can remove the lens cover on the front now. And you can see we got our video right here, and let's do the same thing. So let's go ahead, let's just clip it on. And now we have our macro lens on it right there. So if you can see that, we just clip it right in place. Everything looks great, so we can remove it. We'll look at the monitor, and then we'll bring it in. There we go. So you can see the macro lens installed. Now let's go ahead. Let's take some photos and videos and try them out. Wide angle lens video. And now we can remove it. So it makes a pretty big difference right there. You can see. Here it is with it on. There it is with it removed. There it is back on. Macro video right here. Now you can see it without the macro lens. So let me know what you think about the sample footage in the comment section below. I can't wait to talk more with you guys there. So I was using a Google Pixel 3a to capture the images today in the test with both of these lenses. And I gotta say, the Google Pixel 3a already has a fantastic camera. So first up, when using the macro lens, I gotta say, I didn't really notice any sort of improvement, but I think that's just because the Google Pixel 3a camera is just so good. So depending on your mobile device, you'll probably get an improvement with this macro lens. But if you have a flagship device with an excellent camera already, I wouldn't expect too much in regards to the macro lens. Now I gotta say, I really liked the wide angle lens a lot better because I really felt like it improved my images. It gave me a really cool, big earth, tiny earth, wide field of view, and I was able to get a lot more in my shots. So I like this lens a lot better if I had to pick between the two of these, but they both worked great on my mobile device, and it's just a fun accessory to have with your smartphone. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.